हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्ट करेंगे आज प्रीपोजिशंस के सीक्वेंस में एक और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज। राइट, इसमें पिछले क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है इसमें और पिछले क्वेश्चन में। पीछे जो हमने क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज में प्रीपोजिशंस के अंडर हेडिंग के अंडर डिस्कस किया था वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स सिंगल स्टेटमेंट वाली थी। राइट, सिंगल स्टेटमेंट्स में ब्लैंक्स थे, उनको सिंगल स्टेटमेंट्स में ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना था। लेकिन यहाँ पे सिंगल स्टेटमेंट नहीं है, वी आर हैविंग विद ए पैराग्राफ और पैसेज, राइट, पैसेज टाइप ऑफ थिंग। राइट, वी आर हैविंग 1 and 2 two passage or paragraph type of things. We need to fill the blanks according to the rule of prepositions. Yes, appropriate prepositions are to be filled in the given blanks. Right, so let us start. 26th January is a very special day dash India. Right, what is India? India is country, and for a country we always use in, because country has a defined boundary. Right, it has limited boundaries. It is dash this day India became a sovereign democratic republic. Right, so it is this day, we are talking about a particular day. Right, so this is on this day, because for a particular day we usually use on as a preposition before it. Right, so it is on this day India became a sovereign democratic republic dash 1950. What is this? This is year, and year is a period of time, not a point of time. So it is a period of time, so therefore we'll use in this year, in 1950. Right, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president dash the Indian Republic, of the Indian Republic. Right, 26th January is celebrated great enthusiasm. So 26th January is celebrated, this blank will have with. Right, so 26th January is celebrated with great enthusiasm and festivity all over the country. First of all, the Prime Minister visits the Amar Jawan Jyoti on India Gate. Right, what is India Gate? India Gate is a place. Right, so India Gate, for India Gate we will use on as a preposition before it. First of all, the Prime Minister visits the Amar Jawan Jyoti on India Gate. Right, this is how we have to fill all these blanks in this passage. I think it's clear enough now. सी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा तो बहुत आसानी से आप कर पाओगे, बहुत इजी होता है। आपको ध्यान देना है कि आपका जो नाउन है प्रीपोजिशन का वो कैसा है या प्रोनाउन कैसा है, नहीं ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रीपोजिशन है उस वो किस टाइप का है। ठीक है, सिचुएशन क्या है, तो ये चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी है। नाउ सी इफ यू आर एबल टू सी हेयर, डियर उमर एंड योर सिंसियरली उस्मान, सो दिस इज ए फॉर्मेट ऑफ ए लेटर टाइप ऑफ थिंग. Right, we are having the content part of the letter, we are having the body of the letter, and we are having some blanks in it, and we need to fill all these blanks with correct or appropriate prepositions. I'm sorry dash my inability to keep an appointment dash you yesterday. I'm sorry for my inability. Right, for my inability to keep, and see what is this? This is the preposition of reason for. Why I am sorry? I am sorry for my inability. ठीक है, so what is the reason? My inability. Reason for what? Reason for my apology. Reason for my apology is my inability. So therefore I need to use for as a preposition before this my inability. Here we are using preposition of reason. To keep an appointment with you yesterday. Right, with you yesterday, I promised to see you Regal at 5 p.m. Regal is place, you know, Regal is what? Name of a place. So I promised you to I promised to see you at Regal. At 5 p.m. You must have waited for me there. I sincerely apologize to you for my absence. Right. To you for my absence. To you for my absence. Well, let me explain what happened. My younger sister met with an accident. While returning from school. She was in great pain. Yours sincerely, Usman. So this is how we have to fill all these blanks. This is a body of a letter which is having some blanks, and we have filled all these blanks appropriately. So I think you are able to do these type of questions now. See, simple statements ही आए blanks के साथ, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है भाई. क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से भी आ सकता है जैसे मैंने अभी बताया आपको. ये दूसरा टाइप का क्वेश्चन था, राइट. सो in further classes, in further sections, we will discuss about different type of questions, right. इसके अलावा किस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं प्रीपोजिशन में, वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट सेशंस में. सो तब तक के लिए इतना ही बहुत है, ठीक है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई explain you here. If you don't understand, if you find any difficulty, you may ask by commenting below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.